It's not about the bottom figure, it's not about that. It's about how we are able to help individual household, people who has never baked before, turning out things looking like a pro in baking and stuff like that for the home. My name is Ann Ong. I'm a premix manufacturer. I'm on Lazada as Ann's Secret Recipe. I'm age 57 and I'm an architect by profession. I started off with my kids in school. He asked me to start baking for his class. So I decided to do little mixes for them. It grew and we were in the brick and mortar like supermarkets. One fine day, Lazada came and called me and said, hey, would you like to be on board on our platform? So we went. So I looked and I was so impressed with how Lazada worked front, back, their logistics and stuff like that. So we hopped on the bandwagon and never looked back. When we saw the potential of future online shopping when it was presented to us, the help that we had going on board for the very first time on the platform was excellent. Early days, I think we had only 5 or 6 all in cupcakes. To date, we have about 100 SKUs. They helped us right from the beginning, right to this very day. Being on the platform is totally different, where you have everything is on screen, uploading of your pictures, all that is all done online, which is excellent. The one thing that I really like in this is getting feedback from the customer through Lazada's chats. I want the brand to be an international brand, to be well recognized for what it stands for, good quality mixes. Lazada is definitely a platform that we would use to go internationally because we have people buying from Indonesia through Lazada, and we're going into Singapore heritage, which is all the local food like your chi chung fan, your chi kueh stuff, and all that into a premix. When parents come to me and say, I have never baked in my whole entire life and my kids love your bakes, that is what really is rewarding for me because I'm a mom at the end of the day. I have kids and I have to juggle. I have to be a professional juggler. When the COVID was in full swing, we didn't expect it to almost triple actually to the sales and the demand for all the products and stuff like that. It went on and on and on. But the 3 main ingredients that I always believe in for success is passion, dedication, and hard work. These are the 3 main ingredients in everything you do. But Lazada is an excellent platform.
Lazada.